there's something that I missed from my MacBook 17-inch that's not on my 15-inch, it's the MagSafe. Alright guys, so today I got a new package in from Amazon as always. This is a USB C to MagSafe connector. It's made by this company called Belker. So we're gonna unbox this baby and let's open her up. So this guy, I think I paid $15 something, $15.79 around there. Enjoy art, enjoy technology, Belker. I don't know. Anyway, so I got this guy in. Oh wow. I would really thought there'd be more inside this box, but it's just a box and the thing on a white plastic bag. Alright. So what this is, guys, is again, it's a USB C MagSafe connector and it's pretty flush. That's why I chose this one. I know that they have some from Belkin, but they are not flush at all. So with this guy, you get your USB-C, hook it up, and then this goes into your MacBook Pro, like that, and now you have a MagSafe. Well, according to what the description says on Amazon, this cable can transfer not only data, but as well as charge the MacBook at its 87 watt capacity. So that's why I chose this guy, and as you can see, there's a bunch of pins on here. So all it is just hooks up just like a MagSafe. I don't know if this is the strongest magnet, but it won't stay if the thing is moved. But it's better than having no MagSafe. So again, the little dongle, this is the dongle that hooks up into it. So as you can see, the pins right there, USB-C. It's pretty heavy. It's not too light. Again, flush right into the MacBook, almost flush right into the MacBook. So it's not coming out too much, so even if you hit it, it's not gonna damage your USB-C. And the cable goes like that, boom. That's it. MagSafe for your MacBook 15-inch. Never have to worry about busting this thing or tripping on it. So on the other side it says Belker. I know it's kind of difficult to see, but it says Belker. Just hooks up right there, that way, and the light turns on, and that's it for this product. If you pull out straight, the cable does not come out. So, and strong enough where it can hold, but when you lift the cable, that's the only bad part, is that the cable will not hold onto its place. So it has to be on a level surface. It's kind of lame, but hey, it does the job, and at least it's not gonna break my MacBook. And I got one more thing here. This one's from Fry's. And this is the EasyQuest USB-C to USB 3, and it's just one. This one I got it from Fry's. Yeah, so USB-C to USB 3. So if you're not looking for something too dramatic, if you're not looking for a dongle, this is gonna be it. Again, same thing with this guy. Right onto the MacBook, and then you just get your USB-A or USB 3.1 or 3.0, whatever. And you just hook it straight in there, and that's it. The only problem is that it's kind of floppy, so you gotta be careful. Alright guys, so you guys got a twofer for this video. Again, this is a USB-C to 3.0, and you got the MagSafe connector for your MacBook, so you guys don't break it. Go ahead and go get one. If you haven't got one already, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.